This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood decor interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features Mid Kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is 9,904 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.